Hi, it's Wendy, and our story today is called Duck in the Truck. It's a good one, this one. It's by Jez Alborough. Hope you enjoy it. This is the duck driving home in a truck, and this is the track taking him back. This is the rock struck by the truck, and this is the muck where the truck becomes stuck. These are the feet which jump the duck down into the muck all yucky and brown. And this is the frog who spies from the bush and croaks, "I'll help you to give it a push." This is the push of a frog and a duck, and this is the truck still stuck. This is a sheep driving home in a jeep. "Get out of the way," he yells with a beep. This is the quack of an angry duck. "I can't," he snaps, "my truck is stuck." This is the quiet as they think what to do. "Got it," croaks Frog, "sheep can push too." This is the slurp and the squelch and suck as sheep step slowly through the muck. This is the push of a sheep, a frog and a duck. And this is the truck still stuck. This is the happy sleeping goat relaxing on his motorboat. This is the ear that hears them shout, "My truck's in the muck and it won't come out." This is the rope, and here's the goat's plan to tie a knot as tight as they can. This is the push at the rear once again, and this is the pull as the boat takes the strain. These are the wheels finally gripping. This is the knot suddenly slipping. This is the truck with the engine on fast, back on the track, unstuck at last. This is the duck driving home in the truck, leaving the frog and the sheep and the goat stuck in the muck.